Hi there. Hit and miss showers and thunderstorms will continue in places during the next few days before eventually becoming more and more isolated as it turns drier in the south this weekend, wetter in the north. We've seen some heavy rain across the north through the last 24 hours. The rain now clearing away from northern Scotland. The showers and thunderstorms elsewhere easing into the night, but we follow the next area of rain pushing up from the continent, arriving into southwest England and South Wales during the early hours. Some heavy and persistent rain associated with this, and it's certainly going to be a muggy night for sleeping in the south with the cloud cover, relatively high humidity as well, 15 or 16 Celsius. Further north, low teens, 12, 13 Celsius in places. Clear spells for eastern Scotland, Northern Ireland, Northern England. That's where the best of the sunshine will be first thing Tuesday. Doesn't last that long because the rain in the south is quite quickly pushing north across the country. A wet spell for a few hours across the Midlands and Wales as it moves into northern England late morning, southeast Scotland by the afternoon. In its wake, sunny spells, yes, but further showers developing across Wales and the southwest as well as Northern Ireland and western Scotland. Again, these will be hit and miss. Not everyone will catch a shower, but where they do occur, could be quite lively with some rumbles of thunder and some hail. But it's across east and southeast England where the greatest risk of torrential rain is if some serious thunderstorms get going, if temperatures rise sufficiently into the afternoon before things start to stabilise from the south later on. And we're looking at temperatures of low to mid-20s widely, but perhaps up to 27 degrees in some of the warmer spots towards the southeast. And some warmth for northern Scotland, for example, eastern Scotland as well, given the wind direction. That's where the warmest spots will be with 23 or 24 Celsius in places, albeit with some showery rain moving through, and increasingly damp for central, southern and eastern Scotland by the end of the day on Tuesday. That rain clears through. The showers and thunderstorms elsewhere ease during the evening eventually, and after dark most places are dry with lengthy clear spells. But despite the clear spells, actually it's another relatively warm night, although it is going to be a bit fresher compared with recent nights. Still some showers in the west as we wake up on Wednesday. Western Scotland, western parts of Northern Ireland, one or two over Wales, for example, but otherwise plenty of sunshine towards the east. And as temperatures rise, well, we're going to see those showers in the west develop widely across the UK by late morning, and you can see how they're popping up all over the place. Again, these will be hit and miss. Some places will actually have a dry day on Wednesday with sunny spells, but you'll notice some of these showers are forming in lines. So in places, for example, the southwest peninsula, where the winds come together, or eastern Scotland, for example, we'll see shower after shower after shower. But away from these lines of showers, well, a lot of fine weather with warm sunshine and temperatures again up into the mid to high 20s in parts of the southeast, low 20s generally elsewhere. Then into Thursday as well as Friday, we'll increasingly see a northwest-southeast split with more changeable weather arriving towards the northwest by the end of the week as low pressure in the Atlantic approaches. Breezy with spells of persistent rain. Of course, we need the rain for western Scotland in particular. But a ridge of high pressure extending across southern parts of the UK, allowing more sunshine to develop and a day-by-day rise in temperatures approaching 30 Celsius in the southeast by the weekend. That's all for me, but full outlook, of course, is available on the YouTube channel. That's the week ahead forecast. Do go and give it a watch.